If you're looking to set up Livestorm for sales presentations, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the essentials of getting started with Livestorm, a powerful tool for hosting interactive webinars and sales presentations that will engage your audience and help you close more deals. First, if you're new to Livestorm, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you've never used a webinar platform before. You can even start using Livestorm for free by clicking the link in the description below, where we've secured an exclusive bonus for you. Now let's get into it. To begin, once you sign up, you'll land on the Livestorm dashboard. Here, you'll find a simple, clean layout that makes navigating through the platform easy. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new event. This is the foundation of your sales presentation. Hit the Create an Event button and you'll be prompted to enter a few details. The title of your presentation, the date, and the time. You'll also have options to set up a registration page for your attendees, which is crucial for collecting important information like names and emails. After setting up your event, it's time to customize your registration page. Livestorm offers you several templates, so you don't have to worry about designing it from scratch. You can add your company logo, a compelling description of your presentation, and of course, a call to action that encourages potential leads to register. Make it as engaging as possible. This is your first opportunity to grab their attention. Once the registration page is set, let's dive into preparing for the actual presentation. Livestorm allows you to choose between live or on-demand webinars. For sales presentations, a live webinar is often more effective since it allows real-time interaction. You can even set up a countdown timer for the live event to build anticipation. A great feature for sales presentations is the ability to share your screen, perfect for showcasing product demos or walking through presentations. Before going live, you should also check out the Engagement Tools section in Livestorm. This is where you can create polls, questions, and interactive chat features that will help keep your audience engaged during the presentation. If you're hosting a product demo, consider using the hand-raising feature to let your attendees ask questions directly, which fosters interaction and makes the experience feel more personal. When you're ready for the event, Livestorm allows you to invite other team members to join the presentation. You can designate presenters and co-hosts, which is helpful if you're running a team presentation. You can also record your event, which is great for repurposing content later on, or sending out the replay to attendees who couldn't make it live. Another important part of setting up Livestorm for a successful sales presentation is the analytics. After your webinar, you can check out detailed insights about your audience. This includes data like how many people registered, how many attended, how long they stayed, and what actions they took. This is invaluable for optimizing future presentations and improving your sales funnel. Now here's the exciting part. By following this guide, you'll be ready to host a highly professional, interactive sales presentation with Livestorm. But remember, you can get started for free with our exclusive bonus if you sign up using the link in the description below. So, there you have it. This was a quick setup guide to getting you started with Livestorm for sales presentations. From customizing your registration page to engaging your audience and using analytics to optimize your next session, Livestorm has all the tools you need to deliver a seamless, impactful presentation. Don't forget to check out the link below for that extended free trial to Livestorm. Happy presenting and good luck with your sales.